Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to create an image for advertisement. You can edit an existing image and put some text on it, pricing, and all the conditions, your website, your phone numbers, and everything. So today's tutorial is gonna talk about that. You can see now how we did this mirror. We want to market it on Marketplace or on your Google Ads. So you can do a picture like this, then you put some wordings on top using GIMP. You know, most people who are using Linux, they struggle to get softwares which they can manage to use to do editing some images, pictures and stuff. So but now I think GIMP is the best for us. What we're gonna do, we're gonna close this picture, then we open GIMP, then we start doing what we want to do. So I'm gonna close this tab. I'm gonna say close all tabs and close all these tabs, leave. Okay, and I close also GIMP. So we're gonna start from scratch. Once we've done that, then we're gonna see things. I'm gonna click on GIMP. We come here, and what you do, you don't do anything. You go and grab your picture. You're gonna see, you get any picture, you drag and drop there, like this picture. I'm gonna drag and drop here. You see I've dragged and dropped here. In case you want to crop this out, it's up to you. You can do that. If you want to crop, you just click here and measure this. Maybe you want to take out that tree or whatever you want to take out. You can, I'm taking out something small up and something small down, and then after that you hit enter. Then you go to your text, which is A here. You can say A here. Then you can click here to get what kind of font you need. You come here and you say cash. You can see how it looks like. These are like drawings, so this is not your font I'm going to like. I would say we're going to change it. You find something which is easier for us to use. Okay, I don't have a specific thing I'm using, but let me go there and see if that can work for me. Yes, that font worked for us. We're gonna say cash. We're gonna say cash on delivery. Okay, after doing that text, you can drop it up here, and also you can play with the what they call with the numbers, with the font size. Once you're done with that, you can go somewhere here and also put your prices, and you can say prices gonna be 500. okay, if you want to be in that color, then you can move it also a little bit big. Oh, sorry, you can make what, you can make these letters to be a little bit bigger. You go here and you make it big, because we want the prices to be seen. You can click on the select tool, then you select this guy, then you shift and also that up arrow, then you put it wherever you want to put it. I'm using a shift and that arrow, right, left, down arrow. This is down, this is up. You see it's next to your 0, next to those buttons on your right, and up here. I want it to be here, close here inside. After that, then I will know that I'm done with that. You can see that my image is coming along. Then you come here and click back again. If you want to use one color, if you want to choose another color, then it's easier. Click here. So here I want to say free. I'm telling the client we're gonna get a free delivery. Free, wow, it's gonna be free delivery. Yes, you can see it doesn't fit what we do, we can click on the select tool, we come back here, and we can click somewhere here and come back here, and we click on it. So you click here, you put it here. You can see it doesn't fit much, but anyway, you have to play with the letters then, with the letters here. That's the only thing you have to do, but anyway, I'm trying to put it here. Okay, it fits here. Anyway, we can put it also here. It doesn't get, we can put it down here. You see, it puts, I want the letters to be the same exactly. Okay, okay, I can put it here. What I can do, I can put this here, then I go to select tools, I look for 500. You saw that 500, I selected it, then I put it a little bit 500. Let me, so you see these your layers. I click on that layer, then I come here and select it, and then I try to shift it down. You can see, you can shift it down, you can see here. Okay, I got this here working. Then you go back, click on the select tool, which is like a cross. This is the select tool. When you, if you can't get it, you go and click on here and go back here and you select it. Once you selected it, then you can shift it a bit down or up, wherever you want. So you can see our free delivery works. So now what is missing, we need to put numbers here on the image. We click here and say we need our numbers, but this time numbers, we can put numbers in any color. So if you want to change colors, you can click here and maybe select this color and say we want to use that color. Then you come here, and also we don't want numbers to be that big. I'm gonna put it on 32. Then we say okay, 32, we're gonna write 065, and we say 9830741. After that, the numbers we find, but now the color, I won't lie to you, the color is not that beautiful. Doesn't match what we want to go on to match. I believe we can take something like this, close to this. If you have your color code, you put it in here. Let me see. Okay, let me say that, yeah, we change the colors. It's not exactly this, but it makes sense. And we can click here, and also we put our numbers a little bit up and move them to the right a bit and left and up here. Okay, that's fine. Now we're going to look for another thing we can put. What can we put? We can put a website, but now we're going to change also the color again. I want the color to be here. I didn't take the color code, but that is fine, only for us. I come here and say, especially people put websites down, www.view2tech.com. okay, and after that we click somewhere, anywhere we say we're fine with that. Then we can go up, click on that, then we put it a bit, shift it a bit up. No, we don't want it to be in the wheels. Okay, so the image should stand on its own and no disturbance. We're done with that. After finishing that, we expect everything to be fine. Now you can look into, you can check your spelling. If the spelling is fine, cash on delivery, free delivery, 500, and also you get 065983071. So that is super good. So we go here and we also see our image, the website, to put the website. Now you see you can download any image on Google. Then you just drag and drop when your GIMP is open. Once you drag and drop, then that simply means you're gonna do what? You're gonna start editing your image, putting wording on top, so that your customers, when they see that image, they can see, read every information you want, so that you don't get into a situation whereby somebody's gonna ask you how much when give me your WhatsApp numbers. You know, people, when you use marketplace, they ask a lot of things. Is it free delivery? Is it cash on delivery? So all those things, type them on your advertisement, and once everything is done, you'll be good to go. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to save this picture. You go to export, you click file, then you go to export as, then you say mirror for cash on delivery. Okay, once you're done with that, then you can save wherever you want to save, and say export. Once we're done with the export, we can say yes. You see, now we're done with the exporting of our stuff, so we can go to any image, to my documents here, and we find mirror for cash on delivery. You click on that image, you can see how beautiful the image is. So the client is gonna look at it like this way, exactly this way, so there won't be no confusion, nothing. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want us to do any other tutorial in GIMP, please let us know. We're gonna do it as soon as possible. Okay, see you in the next video.